There were about 8 paintings that we had to cull 4 from. There was, like, you could see light between my fingers. That's the distance between the first and number 8. I'll read them out, and then you get to put the ribbon on your piece.
Yeah.
So, in 4th place, Sunrise at Big Arsenic, Carrie Shultz.
Hey, Carrie!
And she gets a little sketchbook from the art store.
Oh, that's sweet.
So here you go. Put that on the
Wowie.
Just stick it on the back.
Just stick it somewhere. Yeah, wherever it'll stick.
3rd place.
Where it'll stick.
3rd place is early morning at Air Crossing, Janice St. Marie.
And Janice gets a very nice pile. One of Michelle's.
Nice.
There you go. And it has a little stand on it. Thank you.
It's for all that cooking you do, Jonas.
That's right.
Okay, 2nd place, Wild River Rock, Barbara Clark.
Way.
But Barbara gets a $50 gift certificate from Artisan.
Whoa, that's nice.
And this is her piece right
Wow, you got them to cough up something? Sheesh.
So,
And 1st place, from La Junta Point, Marianne Warner.
Oh, yay. She's not here?
now she had to leave too, and she got a $250
Wow.
value.
Oh, and that's perfect for her.
So, yeah.
That's perfect for her.
So there you
Holy
go.
cow.
So
that
thank
was
you
great on
all
her.
for participating.
Yay.
And if anybody has any questions, go through the metal detector and then we'll talk.
And
You're
then
brave to welcome that, Paul.
try, if you can, to bring your other piece to OCHO tomorrow, if you have another one, and then we'll hopefully sell some of these, and we'll take these ones tonight.
OCHO's fit in hours.
Oh, wait, huh?
Fit in hours.
Yeah, if you are local to the area, you haven't signed up for gallery sitting, we still have a couple voting spots.
And thank you, Peggy.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah. We'll come back if you do it again. Absolutely.
Marianne Warner. That piece right there.
The one in the middle?
That's great. And these are all for sale. So buyers coming by now.